Students, now we are going to discuss about April 2016 compiler design university question for second MSc computer science students. And first part A, and first question is, what is a translator? A compiler is a translator used to convert high level programming language to low level programming language. Number 2, identify the tokens of the following statement. If 5.eq.min go to 200, if 5eq.min go to 200. Next question, define NFA. A non-deterministic finite automaton. NFA, a non-deterministic finite state machine, does not need to obey these restrictions. Next question, what is context-free grammar? Context-free grammar is a set of recursive rewriting rules or production used for generating patterns of strings. Next question, what is a parse tree? A parse tree is an entity which represents the structure of the derivation of a terminal string from some non-terminal, not necessarily the start symbol. Next question, sixth question, define handle. A handle of a string is a substring that matches the RHS of a production and whose reduction to the non-terminal represents one step along the reverse of a right mode derivation towards reducing to the start symbol. We are going to next question, seventh one, what is a semantic action? Semantics of a language provide meanings to its constructs like tokens and syntax structures. Semantics help interpret symbols, their types and their relationship with each other. Next question, what is symbol table? A symbol table is an important data structure created and maintained by compilers in order to store information about the occurrence of various entities such as variable names, function names, objects, classes, interfaces, etc. Next, ninth question, define code optimization. Optimization is a program transformation technique which tries to improve the code by making it consume less resources, that is CPU, memory, and deliver high speed. Next, 10th question, what is the 90 to 10 rule? The 90/10 rule of a program optimization states that 90% of the program execution time is spent on executing 10% of the code. Next, 11th question, define DAG. DAG stands for directed acyclic graph that contains no cycles. A rooted tree is a special kind of DAG and a DAG is a special kind of directed graph. For example, a DAG may be used to represent common subexpressions in an optimizing compiler. Next, 12th question, what is the need for optimization? The code optimization is a synthesis phase, is a program transformation technique which tries to improve the intermediate code by making it consume fewer resources.